Okay, good morning, students. Today we will work out some problems on non-integrated accounting system. Okay, and we have already looked into the theory part of it, the journal entries and all that. Now today we will focus specifically on some of the problems of non-integrated system of accounts. So let me read this problem for you. So journalize the following transactions assuming that concern maintains a non-integrated system of accounts. Okay, so this is a problem of 2018 and here are the transactions: purchases, stores issued, productive wages, unproductive labor, works on cost, and cost of completed projects. Okay, so these are the information which is available for us, and for each one we have journal entries which are being discussed in the video earlier. So let us look into it. So journal entries for the as per non-integrated accounting system for the transactions are here. So for purchase of goods we have stores ledger control account debtor to cost ledger control account. So stores ledger mean it represents material. Stores represent material. So when stores come in or material comes in, we debit store ledger control account to cost ledger control account, and the amount is written here 3 lakh. And then we have an entry for stores issued. So these stores are usually issued for production department. So for issue of materials we have written like this: WIP or work in progress control account debtor to stores ledger control account. So when we issue materials, it will be like WIP control account, that they receive the material and then stores material goes out. So stores ledger control account has to be debited. So credited. So stores issued is over. Now productive wages. So productive wages is direct wages. So here it is wage control account debtor, wages control account debtor to cost ledger control account. So cost ledger control account has to be credited, and this the same entry holds good for even unproductive wages. So we have unproductive labor here, so that's the same entry. So wage control account debtor to cost ledger control account, being direct wages and unproductive labor wages are paid. This is for paid, we have passed an entry. And then for this allotment we have to make one entry. So for the same wages, even though there is no transactions related to that, we have to allot that wages. So for that factory overhead ledger control account debtor to wages control account. So when we allot wages, it will be wages factory overhead ledger control account debtor to wage control account. So that is for unproductive labor. And for productive wages allotment we have WIP ledger control account debtor to wage control account. So productive labor, it is for issue of productive labor or allotment of productive labor, WIP ledger control account debtor to wage control. And for unproductive wages allotment, this is factory overhead ledger control account debtor to wage control account. Then we have works on cost. So works on cost is nothing but factory overhead. So factory overhead ledger control account debtor to cost ledger control account. So for that uh, factory overhead control account debtor to cost ledger control account, being works on cost. So this is the beginning of it. So factory works cost. And then they have written cost of completed project. So actually issue of that has to be done. So finished ledger control account debtor to WIP ledger control account, that 12 80 630. So these are the entries we have to make. So for wages we have for issue and for paid and allotment, and for unproductive wages also it is the same. And then what we have done is we have passed one more entry for works on cost. So next is another one problem, small problem, past journal. These are the problems which are usually asked for 6 marks in Mangalore University. This one question paper. So raw materials purchased for special job, and raw materials just purchased. So direct material issued for production, direct wages paid, factory expenses incurred, factory overhead charged to production. So this is the entry. When material purchased for a special job, particular job, directly you have to write WIP, ledger control account, debtor to cost ledger control account. So you are not writing stores ledger here. Okay, when material are purchased for specific purpose, it is WIP ledger control account, debtor to cost ledger control account. Okay, then for just raw materials purchased, stores ledger control account, debtor to cost ledger control account. Okay, so amount is separate. See, 6,000, 5,000 is there, and then we have to issue this to production. Okay, even though direct materials, see, direct materials issued for production they have given. So this WIP ledger control account, debtor to stores ledger, this is the direct materials. Okay, so direct materials value they have given, 3,000 value they have given, so that we have to write. Okay, so materials are over there issue. Then they have told wages, direct wages paid, so wage control account, debtor to cost ledger control account. And for that we have to issue that wages, or we have to pass entry for that allotment. So paid is over, so allotment, WIP ledger control account, debtor to wages control account, since it is direct wages. Indirect means factory overhead. So like that it will come, factory overhead ledger control account, debtor to wage control, but it is direct wages, so same amount we have to write. And then the last one, factory expenses incurred, factory expenses incurred. So factory expenses incurred, factory overhead ledger control account, debtor to cost ledger control account. So factory overhead ledger account, ledger control account, debtor to cost ledger control account, 2,000. One more entry is there that is not visible here properly. So usually this is for factory overhead charged to production. Since factory overhead charged to production, 1 minute. Since factory overhead charged to production, so we have to debit WIP ledger control account, debtor to factory overhead ledger control account. So these are the transactions in non-integrated accounting system, and journal entries we have passed for the same. So this is the beginning of non-integrated accounting system problem. So I hope you will have an understanding of this after reading the theory. Okay, thank you so much.